Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and today is Wednesday, November 7th of 2018. We do have some morning announcements for today. I do have our November birthday list, so happy birthday. Sorry I'm a little late with these. Dylan Potter, Tyshawn Robinson, Katie Wilson, and Haley Harsh. Happy birthday to all of you. So I hope you had a wonderful birthday. Also, just a reminder that parent-teacher conferences are happening today, which is Wednesday. And then our lunch choices are macaroni and cheese with bread, chicken patty sandwich, or Italian sub, along with garlic green beans, celery sticks, bananas, raisins, or milk. And today what I've decided to show is, since we had Inside Recess yesterday, I thought I would show an excellent example of a classroom who, when they got a cue to start cleaning up, they were quick, they were respectful, and they were actually very good about lining up all on their own. So I wanted to show this video of the third grade class and Mrs. Hauser's class, who did an excellent job yesterday for Inside Recess.
One, two, three, clean up. In 5 seconds, everyone's cleaned up and lined up and quiet. 5, 4, 3, 2.
So you can see, boys and girls, that they lined up on their own. They were pretty quiet about lining up too. I didn't even know that they were lining up until I noticed at the beginning of the door. So they did a great job of cleaning up, getting things all put away. And actually, if a video went a little bit longer, you can see the students making sure that all the recess games were all neatly stacked back on the shelf. So great job, third grade. I appreciate your assistance and awesome work for Inside Recess. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Okay, at this time, if you could please stand for the pledge.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure that you're standing and have your hand over your heart. I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Awesome job, third grade. Thank you for doing great announcements for today. So, boys and girls, remember the choices are yours. Let's go out there and make it a great day.